Hey everybody, it's Julie. I just wanted to pop in really quick and share how I got this rainbow effect on this gorgeous hand-lettered stamp by Brandy Kincaid. And I started at the bottom first, and I'm working with Catherine Pooler's water-based dye inks. And I'm starting with the palest color. I'm going to ink up and then use one of those rounded sponge thingies to kind of soothe away the hard lines so that when I start to graduate to the next color, you have kind of a nice blended transition instead of really harsh lines that divide the colors. And in some cases, you're going to see me do this, re-ink and blot and stamp repeatedly until I get the overall finished look that I want. And in some instances where the colors are deeply contrasting, I'll actually clean the stamp off entirely because I don't want to have colors that are really contrasting to overlap and then create kind of a mud colors, because that's what happens when you have two very contrasting colors overlap together. You're going to end up with this dirty brown looking thing, and I don't like that. So to avoid that, I may clean off the stamp before I keep going. And especially because the lavender next to that yellow, it's a very soft color. And so, yeah, it's no worky. So I'm going to keep going with this until I get all the way to the top. So it's a lot of repeating the same process, but I love the end result and I think it's worth it. And then I'll take that panel and I'll trim it down. And I trimmed it down so I had a 1/4 of an inch border all the way around when I mat it to Neenah Solar White base card. But you'll see me flip that panel around upside down sometimes and look at it. And this is because my eye can better gauge where that image is centered on the panel so that when I'm doing my trimming, I get it right instead of whacking off too much on one side. So you'll see me flipping it around kind of like a crazy woman. But there's a method to my madness. Okay, and that's all I got to say. Thanks for watching.